iPhone 12 PM3 disassembly wide-angle camera repaircable replacement operation. This is an iPhone 12 PM with iOS 18.1 system that had a pop-up window problem after changing the camera. Turn off the power and remove the camera. Take out the L3 repair instrument. Plug in camera, radar repair expansion board will automatically jump to the relevant page. Take out external wide-angle camera repair cable. Click to view the installation tutorial. Snap the camera with the cable installed on the expansion board. Detection display normal. Connect your phone to the Lubin programmer. Detection display bind. Click right. Click right. Detection display right success. Detection display exists data. Turn off the phone and install the camera back on the phone. The pop-up window problem after replacing the rear camera has been solved.